Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the notification sound on Google Calendar mobile. So you can adjust alert tone on your phone calendar. So all you have to do is open the calendar application in your mobile phone, your Android, and choose a the date that you want to change notifications. So you can tap this one, Indonesian Independence Day for example, and go and tap this three stripe at the top of your screen and go to the settings. So tap on the general, scroll down, and this one, calendar notifications, you can tap it. So directly jump into your a settings on your phone. This is the calendar notification settings. This one, ringtone, you can tap it. This is app default, you can change it by the default, or you can change it with your file. You can select from your files. Maybe you have an audio here or a song that you want to set as a notification tone or sound, or you can use the default one here. So this is how you can change the calendar notification. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.